Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Envato video stock into Premiere Pro Timeline, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to use Envato video stock. Navigate to your web browser and go to the Envato Elements website. Log into your Envato Elements account if you haven't already. Once logged in, use the search bar to find the specific video stock you want to download. Filters can help narrow your search by category or style. When you find a suitable video, click on it to view more details. Ensure it fits your project requirements before downloading. Click the download button to save the video file to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. In Premiere Pro, go to the Project panel in your current project. Right-click in the Project panel and select Import. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the downloaded Envato video stock file. Click Open to import the video into your Premiere Pro project. Once the video appears in the Project panel, drag and drop it into the timeline where you want it. Adjust its position on the timeline as needed to sync with your existing footage. Use the playback controls to preview the video in context. If necessary, trim or cut the video stock to better fit your timeline. Utilize effects and transitions from Premiere Pro to enhance the video's appearance. Review the final edit to ensure seamless integration with your project. Once satisfied with your edits, you're ready to export your final video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.